Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from JewelScent. This is their Jewels of America subscription box. It's monthly and each month features a state. So this month it's South Carolina. That is a state I have visited. And cool, very fitting. The scent is sweet tea. Awesome. So every month you get a candle. It's pretty big, 3-wick candle. There's a ring in here valued at least $40, so I'm going to go start burning that so we can do a ring reveal. But you also get a bonus item that's always a secret. So we have some scent beads. You can just put those in like a little mesh baggie, hang them in your closet, your car, wherever, and they're scented. And also inside is a sticker. And that goes over here on our map. Very cool. So I'm going to go ahead and start lighting that, and I will be back to show you the ring. Okay, so I had it on the warmer. It's just like floating on top. This candle smells good. It has a good scent throw, but I'm not sure what I was expecting sweet tea to smell like. Like, tea has a very light scent, like actual tea. I mean, there's like a sweetness to this, but I wouldn't say it reminded me of tea necessarily, but I'm happy because the ring feels small, I could tell. So let's see what it looks like and what it appraises for. So that is very dainty for them. I've been complaining their rings have been so bulky. And this one has a thin band, smaller stone, and it's the SG46. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just the flat $40 appraisal, but of course I'll clean up my hands and check that out for you guys. Yeah, that's kind of cute. So I will be right back. So I just put in the code, and for SG46 it says it appraised for $20, and unless they've changed something, which let me look, it is not supposed to be anything less than 40. So it's like it's under the prize club. I feel like this, but it's Jewels of America. So let's see what it says. Plus, on the actual details, it says beautiful jewel valued at $40 and up. So I'm going to have to email them, let them know. But it looks like New York is the state for next month, and Irish cream cheesecake. Very excited for that. But here's the information about it. I just like the map aspect of it and whatnot. But here's the ring. Just kind of like a flat diamond-like stone. But it's cute. Apparently not a $40 ring, but yeah, that's what I got. Okay, so I emailed customer service and I sent them a picture, and they wrote back and said, oh my gosh, you're right, you know, that shouldn't be, you should get more than a $20 ring, you should get a $40 ring. So they 2-day shipped me a new $40 ring, just like a random one, PP36. So that is the $40 code. So this is my replacement ring. Of course, they told me to go ahead and keep the other one. Kind of interesting, two-tone. So we got some gold, and then there's some silver up there. Rather large stone. Very shiny though. That's kind of cool. Not really a fan of the yellow gold, but I don't know, kind of unique. So that's what I got in my prize club. So it took a little while to post since we had some ring drama, but stay tuned for next month so you can see that New York cheesecake one, because that one sounds pretty cool. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.